All right, let's bow in.
Bow to the Grandmaster instructor.
I think it's kind of a tone that is set by Master Gohring. I always think that culture is sort of set at the top. Positive, supportive, great school. It's got a really good vibe. I have scoliosis. Tai Chi really supports the efforts that I do to compensate for my scoliosis. I see a trainer regularly, physical therapy. What I learn here in the form and the way they teach it underscores a lot of the same movements, practices. Tai Chi first caught my eye when we were vacationing in Hawaii, and there was a sunrise class on the beach. And I was familiar with Kick Butt Coffee, and so I decided to start here and just found it to be a really good match. I just love the school. It helps me stay focused. I can get to a relaxed state if I feel my stress levels rising. I'm learning to respond more than react, and learning that maybe yielding can be an effective way of dealing with situations too. Just let it be. That's the Tai Chi moment. I really like the graduations and goals to achieve. I just did my first tournament in Houston. It wasn't offered by the school, but Master Gohring really encouraged me to go do it, and I'm really happy that I did. To see and observe so many different types of Tai Chi, it's like peeling an onion. There's so much to learn that I just can see that I'll be interested in doing it for years to come. I would just encourage anyone that's thinking about it, come for more than one class. Come a few times to really get a feel for it. You can learn at your own pace. You can be yourself. Just give it a try.